Hello, fellow Right at Home franchisees, and thank you for taking the time to view this video. I am Barb Madison, and I am the newly elected chairperson of the Brand Marketing and Promotional Council. I have been in the Right at Home system for 14 years, and I operate in St. Louis, Missouri. I am proud to be working alongside newly elected Vice Chairperson, Sandy Pellegrini from Boston, Massachusetts. Sandy has been a part of the Right at Home system since 2007. We join new council members Adam Bliss and Susan Brown, as well as existing members Greg Brewer, Dan Fox, Michael Jusium, Whitney Krupala, and Heather Lantry in expressing our excitement to work on behalf of you, along with corporate and our marketing agency Regroup, to further promote the Right at Home brand. We met as a council in October, along with our corporate members, our ad agency Regroup, and representatives from Location 3, one of our digital advertising partners, to review results for 2017 year-to-date and determine media plans for 2018. We are currently running television spots on CNN, Fox News, Hallmark Channel, HGTV, HLN, and the Weather Channel. These spots run through January 14th, 2018. We are also running a print advertisement in the November-December issue of Reader's Digest. And we continue to advertise to professional referral sources and utilize paid search and digital banner ads. In November, Right at Home CEO and President Brian Petranek appeared on Hallmark's Home and Family Show, and we sponsored the Hallmark Channel's Countdown to Christmas movie, With Love, Christmas, with featured commercial spots during those airings. On November 26th, we finished up our radio spots on NPR during two of their most popular programs, All Things Considered and Fresh Air. As always, to help us track the success of these placements, please be sure to carefully enter all leads into ClearCare using a referral source that links to the correct type, and by using the initial call screen when you enter a prospect. All of these media programs work together to drive brand awareness primarily and also deliver leads to your office. Another new development that occurred at the BMPC meeting in October is that we are re-energizing our council subcommittees, and those groups are meeting to plan priorities for 2018. Communication will continue to be a focus, and we are revamping the brand marketing bulletin to be more useful to you and provide you with better transparency and clarity. Be on the lookout for the new version coming soon. Feedback regarding how we can better communicate our activities to you is always appreciated. Any one of the council members is available to you to take suggestions or answer questions about the Brand Fund. In 2018, we are going to explore possible ways the BMPC can assist with caregiver recruitment and retention, including continued build-out of the recruiting tools in the ERC and reallocating a small portion of our digital advertising budget to conduct national recruiting targeted ads. Having the results from this type of testing will give the council insight to this complex issue that affects nearly each and every one of us. There are many unanswered questions, and we felt we needed to proceed with initial research and testing in order to plan overall strategy for 2018. The council welcomes your thoughts and ideas in this area. We will also be modifying our media mix slightly by moving dollars previously allocated for print advertising over to more radio spots to better saturate that medium. We plan to conduct research to learn about our relationship with potential clients and referral sources and how our advertising and promotional efforts are impacting them. This research will also help us gain a better understanding of our competitors. As always, the entire council is open to your feedback, thoughts, and ideas, and we encourage you to engage with us so we can work together, along with corporate, to build Right at Home brand preference and drive leads to our offices. Thank you for your continued friendship and support. I wish you and your family the happiest of holidays over the upcoming season. Thank you.